Kate here with WTI, and a solar light is a must-have for your outdoor space. This one from SIDSYS comes in a set of 2. It's been really awesome, and it has a ton of features that you're gonna love. First of all, it's completely adjustable. So all of these little pieces swivel. You can point it down if you want to spotlight something, or you could aim it up if you want to just kind of light up your entire yard. Of course, as I mentioned, it is solar powered, so it's got this really nice size solar panel at the top. It charges up through the day, and then you're all set for nighttime. Another thing that's really great is that it has a motion sensor. We've mounted this particular one on an old shed on our property. It's not an area we're in all the time, but when we do walk out here, it's so nice that the light automatically turns on and lights up our way. So as you can see, it has a really nice range, so it lights up a really big chunk of our yard. It's very bright. Of course, that is adjustable as well. It comes with a remote, and you can play with the settings, so you can have it just turn on and off when somebody comes and leaves. You can have it stay on for longer. You can adjust the brightness. All kinds of ways to customize it for however you want it to work for you. It's easy to put up. It came with a bracket and the mounting hardware. So I have it in 2 spots, one here on the shed and another one on an old garage we have on our property. And it's been so nice since we don't have to, first of all, hardwire them in since we don't have power on these buildings. And then also that you don't have to continuously have a light on when it's not a space you're always using. So I've been really impressed with the quality. It's great for all weather as well. Here we have a lot of snow, rain, cold, hot, all of the things. And so this is durable and ready to withstand all of the crazy weather. So it's definitely something I would recommend to you. Outdoor lighting is a must, of course, but having it be solar powered, it just takes it to the next level. I'm sure you'll really be happy with it, and that's my point of view.